Okay, we're on to mini assignment number 3. You'll notice I added a sheet, and your first thing to do is just literally copy that speed test chart right as it is. Make sure you have no spaces in between your columns. So you've got A are your cars, B is your distance, C is your time. Very first step in this one, it says in the cell right of the one with time, type speed, brackets, feet per second, bracket, enter. It says write a formula below the one you just created to calculate the speed. So we always start a formula with, you should say equals. Okay, then it says in brackets, speed is calculated by dividing distance traveled by time. So if I was to do that, I could type out 123.5 divided by 7.68, but then I'd have to do that all the time. We want Excel to do the work for us. So distance of Patrick's Porsche is that divided, is that little key by your question? It's the same key as your question mark. By time, which is this number, 7.68. So I've got this cell, which is distance, divided by this cell, which is time. If I hit enter, I should get a number. Okay, now I can do that for every single one of these, but let's make life easy. You can either do that fill down method by selecting all these, going to fill and hit down, or you can do it even easier by just selecting this little black box, dragging it down, boom. That easy. All these numbers are done for us. We've got a lot of numbers behind the decimals, so it wants you to round them to 2 numbers. Follow the instructions. It says highlight them all, go to format, all the way down to format cells, choose number, and you'll see decimal places. It's automatically 2 by default, so hit OK. Now I've got these nice clean numbers. The second part of this little mini assignment is to make a chart. So Excel will make graphs for you. Okay, I believe this has changed since I used to do this assignment. So just follow along here. It says select car all the way down until you have everything in the chart selected. You don't have to put speed test. Okay, just select car down to 19.32. You're going to go up to insert. Now it used to say column charts, but if you go down to charts, this very first one here is a column chart. So select that. Choose any one you like. Maybe we want to go 3D. Let's choose that one. Okay, drag it underneath. Now, if you follow the assignment, it says the only thing on your graph that should be showing is speed. Okay, so we want to delete time and distance. How we do that? Right click anywhere on that graph, go to select data. You'll see distance, remove it, time, remove it. You only got speed left. Hit OK. That's what you want on your chart. You've got a speed chart. Now, judging by this, looks like Chase's Corvette is the fastest car because it covers the most time in the fastest time. Last thing to do is rename this car speed. Enter. We're good. Add another sheet because you've got number 4 coming up.